banks and insurance companies, which have sought to keep public in dark about their business deals with Donald Trump, came to light on legal terms Tuesday after a judge ruled that Trump could not seal records ahead of New York Attorney General's upcoming lawsuit against real estate mogul. A handful of Trump-affiliated firms have made an effort as a last resort to conceal documents, detailing the way they unwittingly became part of the Trump Organization's alleged plan to inflate assets. However, Judge Arthur F. Engoron did not confirm home addresses and bank account numbers of certain employees, cited that the public had right to see documents and communications, well as information such just 34 days until former president goes to court in New York City. His personal finances will come under scrutiny as States Act tries to drain blood of company as it routinely exaggerates its assets in official documents. But as this case approaches, companies that have lent him hundreds of millions of dollars in business deals are trying to sneak into the shadows and hide paperwork showing how they acted. Zurich American Insurance Company, WSFS Bank, Ladder Capital, and others asked judge overseeing the case earlier this month to seal documents detailing how Trump Organization communicated with them while assessing their assets. Some of these records are backbone of AG Letitia James' $250 million lawsuit against the Trumps. It shows how real estate mogul and his family members allegedly got away with minimal scrutiny, citing fantastic financial figures that had not been carefully vetted. They would notice that it had doubled and tripled. Zurich, for his part, said that some of the documents entered as evidence in the court file contain highly sensitive, non-public proprietary information about Zurich's insurance business, including Zurich's highly protected insurance rules and competitively sensitive, claimed financial information. Meanwhile, lawyers for WSFS Bank complained that journalists were trying to reach their employees because of his role on Business Lifeline attached to Trump's mansion north New York City. It was a failed development project and he still valued it as success. He donated the land to conservation and received a huge tax break. Earlier this month, Bank complained that an employee publicly linked to Seven Springs loan receives unsolicited inquiries from media every time case is in news, and finds it devastating and distressing. AG withdrew court documents, citing the need for the American people to have access to ongoing court battles in a democratic society. Their lawyers also refrained from jurisprudence that neither the potential cause embarrassment or damage to reputation, nor the desire for general privacy constitute a good reason seal court records. Also quoted on Tuesday afternoon, Judge Engoron said he would allow companies to hide personal information, but sided with AG that most documents should remain open. Here, none